Welcome back to my channel, Brandon's Bites. Guys, we are going to go into Mission's Barbecue. We're gonna have some brisket. Last time I was here, I had a burger, and people were saying, why'd you go to Mission's Barbecue for a burger? So this time, I'm going in there, and we are going to get the brisket. I saw they had mac and cheese as well. That sounds good. I'm gonna videotape in there. They do have music playing. Until I get some music or until I restart my subscription on Epic Sound, I'm gonna have to mute it. But you can see for yourself with your eyes where I'm having brisket, and I'm gonna try some of the barbecue sauce at the table. But I'm gonna show you guys. Sorry about the it might be silent, but you'll have video, you'll have visual, you'll have your eyes on the prize, the brisket. Just try not to eat your phone. I'm not gonna be held responsible for that, but I'll see you guys inside. They have that truck right there. They smoke, I think they smoke some of the food in that truck. We're at Mission's Barbecue. It looks good. Amazing. I had brisket and the mac and cheese. The mac and cheese, the brisket, the cornbread, why did I even get the hamburger? The brisket was amazing. And I tried a couple barbecue sauces. Kansas City, they had a Chicago one. They had a Memphis one. And then I tried a Texas. And that was pretty much it. Most of the time I was having the Chicago one because it was sweet. Even though the Memphis one was a little sweet. But the Chicago, it's called Chicago Street or whatever. Or Sweet. Chicago Sweet, maybe. It was really good. I did like the other barbecue sauces. The Texas one was a little tangy. But that's alright. But I basically demolished that stainless steel or metal sheet pan that everything was placed on. With they had to put some paper on it. That was amazing. The brisket is definitely a must if you go to Missions Barbecue. The mac and cheese is a must. If you go to Missions Barbecue and you leave without trying the mac and cheese, you're gonna like regret it for a million years and you'll want to go back. Try the mac and cheese, the brisket, try a couple of the barbecue sauces. And tell me what you guys think. Do you have a Missions Barbecue? And if you get this supports. This one is for Reese across America. This was probably for the holidays, Christmas time. But this donation. This is basically a donation to Reese Across America organization, nonprofit organization. But they have when I tried the hamburger, it was the 9/11 one, so I got the cup. It was a red cup. It's for the 9/11, the family members, the people that sadly passed away, and they're still actually here and they need help because they're still feeling the effects. So that's a great thing. Buy the plastic cup. It costs a little bit more, but you'll feel good about it. You're gonna be a hero, American hero. So try the brisket and the mac and cheese at Missions Barbecue. And don't miss out. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you guys on the next video. And it might be next year. So, I don't know. Tomorrow we'll see what I'm having for my last lunch of 2024. I think it's going to be pizza.